When I have an expectation of something, that is a definition of a conviction, right? Or it's a definition by itself. So if I expect the situation to act or be a certain way, and then I have a positive feeling about it, I have a positive experience. So far, so good? Now, remember that if I expect it, somehow the whole universe rearranges itself to prove me right in my own bubble of reality. Now, if I, in a different situation, expect something negative, meaning when it happens I have a negative feeling, which means it's negative for me, then yes, if I expect that or think that constantly, I will attract that experience. So in a sense, if I think negatively, I attract negative things. If I think positively, I attract positive things. Now, the law of attraction, right? Most people go into this idea, I am here, stationary. I'm like an antenna which vibrates things. So if I vibrate positive thinking, we'll attract positive things back. And if I vibrate negative things, I attract negative things back. From the point of view of the fourth dimension, which is this human reality that we're discussing, where time is being experienced in a linear way, past, present, and future, that is in a sense correct. Because I feel like I'm not moving. I'm sitting at home and I'm thinking positive thoughts, and all of a sudden the phone rings and I have good news. So I say, see, I was thinking positively, I got positive news, positive, manifestation. So it's the law of attraction. I attracted to me something positive. Now, I need to tell you that there are many ways of seeing this if we go in the above dimensions. It's just a different perspective. Remember, if I have a candle of light in the middle right now, you see it, I see it, it's the same candle, but your perspective of it is a little bit different because you have as a background me. My perspective of the candle is a little bit different because even though I'm seeing the same candle, as a background, I see you. So your input and my input of the same thing is slightly different because we have a slightly different angle, like cameras, right? So in a sense now, if I see it from the fourth dimensional point of view, this reality as I experience it with time and the three dimensions of space, I believe I'm somewhere stationary, I'm going to repeat that, and things come to me. So in a sense, I attract them like magnets. Magnet is stationary and attracts metallic things, right? But from the fifth dimensional point of view and above, what happens is that idea with a radio station. So in a sense, it's not the radio station that's coming to me. I'm actually fine-tuning myself to go and visit the radio station. So it's almost like I'm going to the event, not so much the event coming to me. So from that point of view, I'm not attracting it, I'm going and visiting it. So someone would call it the law of visit, right? A different way. Yeah. But it means exactly the same thing. So roughly, what I give out, I get back. If I see it as me being stationary, or in a sense, if I give out positively, I go and meet more positive things. If I give out negativity, I go and meet more negative things. And again, it's very, very subject to the individual. There's no such thing as negativity and positivity by default. There's no such thing as someone being positive person, negative person, but there is such idea as that person being positive for you or negative for you. Because you might observe someone where, you might say, oh, they're very negative. And I will observe the same people and say, you know what, they're very positive. You will attract more of what it means negative for you as a reaction from them. And I will attract more positive reactions from them because I expect that, you expect that. Is that a little bit more clear that it's the same idea, but from different angles of perception? So law of attraction is very famous here in our human experience because most of us don't know quantum physics, or most people don't perceive it that way. So for them, yes, they are attracting it. But in reality, to be absolutely politically correct, we're going and visiting those radio stations, those possibilities. So we are moving, they're not moving towards us. The end result, the same.